So, I can officially report that universal control is probably one of the coolest things I've experienced as a computer user. So, I wanted to make a little video about exactly what it looks like, and how many screens I look at on a regular basis. A couple of these are new, by the way. Alright, so I'm going to switch to everything. This is my MacBook over here. My MacBook is what I use for browsing, and occasionally I'll background render with compressor. Then I have my Mac Pro, which is what I do all my main work on. This is what I edit videos and I edit photos. Typically I'm Lightroom open and I'm editing photos and whatnot. Then, as a little bonus, I have my iPad, which means that if I have any other sort of social important thing or whatever, if I want to check something, I can just bring it up in here instead of having to open up a browser or whatever. It's nice to have around, and it's really cool to be able to control the iPad from the mouse that I have connected to my Mac Pro. And then this other screen over here is actually my TV that I have connected to my Mac Pro so that I can just watch a YouTube video every once in a while of crackling fires because ambiance. The last two screens down here are actually old iPhones. So I have an iPhone SE videotaping me right now. This is actually a new thing for me. I just figured this out today and then decided I wanted to make this video. And basically this is an OBS controller. Now I've got a couple scenes here programmed, as you can see them switching through. This last one you can actually see what I'm doing on the screen, and you can see that I can also control mic volumes, which, you know, it's just not enough real estate to be able to do that in a way that I would feel safe doing, especially on a live cast or a live video. I've already recorded this video 3 times, for example. Yeah, there's a lot of options. I feel like this would be best used for the iPad and the iPhone, maybe another camera. But anyways, this is a nice little tool, and this is a perfect example of universal control, and also universal control working on old Macs. This is a 2009 Mac Pro. This is a 2015 MacBook. This is a 9th gen iPad. And of course, we've got the iPhone SE and the iPhone 10. Now, if that doesn't say screw you to Apple, even though I own 10 friggin' Apple devices, the functionality of this setup is actually amazing. And if you want to get your old machine going with this kind of setup, please let me know. I can give you the recommendations for parts. I can give you the recommendations for upgrades. Yeah, keep on vibing. Peace out.